Good morning, students. Activity 4A of page number 43. Children, when I read this paragraph, you have to concentrate on that paragraph and listen me carefully. Let us read paragraph. Karthik came from school. He was happy. He had a trophy in his hand. He got it from school. There was a science fair at school. He won the trophy. He was the best speaker at the district level elocution competition based on science theme. He showed his trophy to his parents. They congratulated him. His grandfather was proud of him because Karthik got first prize. Karthik's sister was happy because she was sure about celebration party. I think you have understood it well. Now let me show you table in textbook of page number 43. See, in this table we have two columns. One is of action and another is of reason. Action is Karthik was happy and reason behind it is Karthik won the trophy. જોયું? Karthik was happy because he won the trophy. અહીં એક્શન છે એ કાર્તિકની હેપીનેસ છે અને હેપીનેસ પાછળનું રીઝન એ ટ્રોફી જીત્યો એ છે. So children, here there are more actions and reasons. Second action is Karthik won the trophy. Reason is he was the best speaker at the district level elocution competition. અહીં એક્શન છે કાર્તિકની ટ્રોફી જીતવાનું અને રીઝન એના પાછળનું એ છે કે વક્તૃત્વ સ્પર્ધામાં સારામાં સારું બોલ્યો હતો. So we can answer or we can join this action and reason that Karthik won the trophy because he was the best speaker in elocution competition at district level. આપણે એ રીતે જવાબ આપી શકીએ અથવા તો આ એક્શન અને રીઝનને એ રીતે જોડી શકીએ. Karthik won the trophy because he was the best speaker in elocution competition at district level. So children, now you understand action and reason, but there are three actions and three reasons in this table. So I will read it. You observe it and understand it. Action. His parents congratulated him. Reason. He won the trophy. Action. Karthik's sister was happy. Reason. She was sure about celebration party. Action. Karthik's grandfather was proud of him. Reason. Karthik got first prize. Now I would like to tell you to open your textbook. જુઓ, ટેક્સ્ટબુકના પેજ નંબર 43 પર you will find a story. The first fruit.
One morning, a king went on horseback to the countryside. He came to the village and saw an old man in a field. The old man was digging the earth and planting mango saplings. He was working very hard.
Good morning, my friend. Why are you planting these saplings?
These saplings will be big trees in 10 or 15 years. They will bear fruit then.
But you are old and weak, so you will die in a few years. You will not eat their fruits.
You are right. I will not eat the fruit. But I am doing this today because others will eat it, and therefore I am happy.
I am pleased with you, old man. You love people, therefore you are a good man. Please, take this bag of money because I love your work and thoughts.
Thank you, sir. This bag of money is first fruit of my little trees.
Dear children, are you with wise king or an old man? I think you liked story so much. Children, now turn the page. See on page number 44. You will find a table. જુઓ, ત્યાં તમને ટેબલ જોવા મળશે. ટેબલમાં એક્શન અને રીઝન બે કોલમ આપેલા છે. એક્શનના કોલમમાં બે રોઝ ખાલી છે નીચે અને રીઝનના કોલમમાં ઉપર ખાલી છે રોઝ. તો આપણે લખવાનું છે. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ અવર વર્ક. લુક ઇન ધ ટેબલ. The first action is the old man was digging the earth. Okay, now I would like to give options. He wanted to fill water. He wanted to plant saplings. He wanted to build a house. Yes, action. The old man was digging the earth and એનું reason he wanted to plant saplings. Now, second action. તો સેકન્ડ એક્શન છે ધ કિંગ વોઝ પ્લીઝડ વિથ એન ઓલ્ડ મેન. ચાલો હવે આની પાછળનું રીઝન વિચારો. લેટ અસ ઓબ્ઝર્વ ઓપ્શન્સ. ઓપ્શન એ ઇઝ એન ઓલ્ડ મેન વોઝ સિંગિંગ, એન ઓલ્ડ મેન વોઝ સ્લીપિંગ, એન ઓલ્ડ મેન વોઝ પ્લાન્ટિંગ મેંગો સેપ્લિંગ્સ ફોર અધર્સ. યસ, આન્સર ઇઝ સી. ધ કિંગ વોઝ પ્લીઝડ વિથ એન ઓલ્ડ મેન because an old man was planting mango saplings for others. તો હવે આ જે રીઝન છે એ આપણે ટેબલમાં લખીશું. હવે જુઓ, હવે પછીના બે જે એક્શન અને રીઝન્સ છે તેમાં રીઝન આપેલા છે અને એક્શનમાં બ્લેન્ક છે. સો ઇન ધીસ કોલમ વી વિલ રાઇટ એક્શન, નોટ રીઝન, because reasons are given already. તો ફરીથી ડોન્ટ વરી, I will again give you options for actions. So now let us see reason. In column, third reason is he was good man and he worked for others. He was good man and he worked for others. જુઓ, આમાં હું તમને ઓપ્શન આપું છું. ઓપ્શન A is he hates people, he loves people, he doesn't like to help people. વિચારો આમાં એક્શન શું હોઈ શકે? આન્સર ઓફ ધીસ રીઝન ઇઝ ઓપ્શન બી. ચિલ્ડ્રન જુઓ, આમાં એક્શનમાં જવાબ આપશે he loves people. Now last action is blank but reason is given. So now let me give you options for the reason. He wanted others to get fruits. તો એક્શન માટેના ઓપ્શન્સ છે he planted mango saplings, he wanted to be sad, he wanted to show king. Old man wanted others to get fruits. So what did he do? He planted mango saplings. તો આ રીઝનનું એક્શન શું આવશે? એક્શન છે ઓપ્શન A. So children, you wrote two reasons and two actions.
બાળ મિત્રો, look into your textbook on page number 44. Activity number 5, read and know.
Science and Our Life. Today is 28th February. It is World Science Day. There is science exhibition in Karthik School. The Math Science Club of the school is in charge of the exhibition. Karthik visits the science exhibition with his mummy.
Mummy, hurry up.
Are we late for your science exhibition?
Yes, because it's really very important for me and also for you.
For me?
Yes, for you too.
Okay, we have already reached your school.
Wow, all parents have come. What an atmosphere of the school. Come, Mummy.
Take it easy.
Now they are at the entrance.
Look, here are the three sections: environment, health plus agriculture.
Where shall we go first?
To the agriculture section.
Why?
Because I am interested in it. Then we will go to the section of environment. And after that, we will visit the health section. Let's go.
Okay.
Hello, Prachi. What is your project about?
Hello Karthik. Hello Auntie. My project is on the terrace gardening and hydroponics method of agriculture.
What is that?
Nowadays, because of urbanization, we have no enough space to grow trees or plants. Therefore, we should use terrace for gardening and for that, hydroponics method of gardening. In this method, we have to make layers of stones on plastics on the terrace. With their help, plants can stand. After that, plants will be planted at appropriate distance and then give them water. We can also use PVC pipes. By hydroponics method, we can grow vegetables and fruits.
It's really a wonderful idea. Thank you, Prachi.
Yeah, thank you, Prachi. Karthik, we will make it on our terrace.
Sure, Mummy. Let's go to the environment section.
Okay.
They are at another science project.
Hey Karthik. Hello auntie.
Hey, what is your project about?
The project title is Bamboo and banana are the best. Really, bamboo is a wonderful plant because there are many uses of it. The bamboo is very strong, therefore it is used to build the bridges. We can make many things like fences, fishing rod, rafts, basket, furniture, etc. A plant may grow 80 feet or even more. Sometimes it shoots up 3 feet in a single day.
It's wonderful.
How is music produced on a flute?
It's magic. The bamboo has joints all the way up the stem. The stem is hollow between the joints so that we can play on a flute. See these pictures.
What about the banana tree?
Yes, banana tree is also very useful because its leaves, flowers, trunks and fiber are important. Banana leaves are large, flexible and waterproof, so they are used as food containers or plate. It is also useful in making cups, papers and dishes.
Really useful. I have heard that we can make sari from banana. Is it true?
Yes, it is right. Nepalis give rough material to Rugmark, an institute which stands for child labor. It is also known as Good Weave International. They make clothes. This institute helps to abolish the child labor. In Tamil Nadu, weavers weave fibers of banana and make saris.
Really wonderful. Good job, Vasant.
Thank you, auntie.
Let's go to the last section, Mummy.
Sure.
They reached the Health Plus section of science project.
Hello, Anjana. What is your project about?
Hey Karthik. Hello Auntie. My project is about health is wealth. Herbs and spice do more than add flavor to dish. Spice and herbs are really very useful for our body. See the chart. Spices. Ginger uses decreases motion and sickness. Elaichi, the oil of cardamom seeds, is used in the treatment of toothache. Shatavari, its leaves boiled in oil are used for massage in brain disease. Garlic destroys cancer cells.
Anjana, really a good work. I am very happy to know because I can use all things for my family's health. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Auntie.
Let's go, Mummy. We will try to make terrace garden with the use of hydroponics method of agriculture.
Why do you forget banana and bamboo?
Yes, it's right. We will also grow more trees and plants. They are useful.
Really. Thank you, Karthik, because you gave me chance to know more about its nature and its blessings.
Have you enjoyed?
Open your textbook, page number 47. Let us start. Here is our first question. Where was the science fair held? Here is the answer. Yes, the science fair was held in Karthik's school. Very good. Now let us move on the second question. Who visited the science fair? Here is the answer. Karthik and his mother visited the science fair. Yes, you are right. Now we are moving on third question. Here is your third question. See it. Give the name of the section in the science fair. The section in the science fair are: first, environment, second, health plus, and third, agriculture. Very good. Everybody's answer is right. Should we try next question? Who took part in science fair? Prachi, Vasant and Anjana took part in science fair. Now see the next question. How are the trees useful? Trees give us shelter, Trees give us fruits. Trees give us wood for house and furniture. Trees also give us herbs and medicine. સરસ. ચલો હવે એની પછીના પ્રશ્ન તરફ આગળ વધીએ. See the next question. Why should we eat bananas? Here is your answer. Because banana give us calcium. It makes our bones strong. My next question is, see here. Why is the bamboo a wonderful tree? Because bamboo is very useful. It is used to build bridges. We can make many things like fences, fishing rods, rafts, baskets, furniture, flute, etc. ચલો હવે એની પછીના પ્રશ્ન તરફ આગળ વધીએ. Here is your next question. What is the hydroponics method of agriculture? In this method, we have to make layers of stones on plastics on the terrace. With their help, plants can stand. After that, plants will be planted at appropriate distance and then give them water. We can also use PVC pipes. હવે પછીનો પ્રશ્ન આગળના પ્રશ્નને રિલેટેડ જ છે. Why do we need terrace garden? Here is your answer. Because of urbanization, we have no enough space to grow tree or plants. Therefore, we need terrace garden. Let us move on the last question. Here is your question. Which are the uses of banana leaves? See here your answer. Banana leaves are used as food container or plate. It is also useful in making cups, papers and dishes.
એક્ટિવિટી 6B. ચાલો બધા તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક ખોલો જોઈએ. What we have to do here? We have to make a list of uses. First, we will write about bamboo. Bamboo is used to build bridges. Second, bamboo is used to make fans. Then, what is there? Yes, you give the answer. Very good. To make fishing rod. Let us write together. To make ફિશિંગ રોડ્સનો ઉપયોગ ક્યાં થાય છે તમને ખબર છે ને? માછલી પકડવા માટે. વેરી ગુડ. ધેન પછી શું આવે છે? કોણ મને કહેશે? યસ, વેરી ગુડ. ટુ મેક બાસ્કેટ. ટુ મેક બાસ્કેટ. મેં તમને બાસ્કેટ દેખાડ્યું હતું ને? વેરી ગુડ. ચાલો પછી શું આવશે? યસ, ટુ મેક ફર્નિચર. વેરી ગુડ. અને પછી શું આપેલું છે? છેલ્લું જરા જુઓ તો. વેરી ગુડ. ટુ મેક ફ્લૂટ. લોર્ડ કૃષ્ણા ઓલ્સો પ્લેડ ફ્લૂટ. વેરી નાઇસ. મિત્રો તમને બધાને યાદ જ હતું હે ને? વેરી નાઇસ. માય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, નાવ વી વિલ રાઇટ હિયર uses of bamboo in the things you have observed. તમે જે કાંઈ જોયું છે ને, તમને જે કાંઈ યાદ છે અને તમને જે કાંઈ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થયા છે એ બધી જ વસ્તુઓ આપણે અહીંયા લખવાની છે. સો who will tell me the first use of bamboo? Very nice. You tell me. Yes, to make a house. It is given here. And then it is used to make a dome. તમે જોયું હતું ને? Dome. To make a dome. Then what is another use? Yes, to make cycle frame. Then to make decorative things. Very nice. And then tell me, my friends, what other things we can make? Yes, we can make boat or table. Very good. We will write here table. And even a chair. We can write here a chair. ચલો મારી સાથે બધા લખી નાખો જોઈએ. My friends, લખાઈ ગયું ને બધાને? Very good. Now we will go to banana. ચાલો હવે આપણે banana trees ના ઉપયોગો જોઈએ. It is also very useful in our southern part of India. My friends, are you ready? Now let us write. We have to write the uses of banana tree which are given in the dialogue. ચાલો જોઈએ આપણે. Now who will tell me the first use? Very good. It is used as a food container. Use as food container. જેની અંદર આપણે ફૂડ રાખીએ છીએ. વેરી ગુડ. Then it is used as a plate. The leaves of banana tree are used as a plate. Now the third, to make a cup. It is also used to make a cup. And next, what is there? Very good. Sari. Nepali people, you know, my friend, in Tamil Nadu, the fiber of banana trees are used to make sari. Very good. To make sari. Very nice, my friend. Now let us write the uses of banana trees. Uses of banana tree that you have observed. જે તમને બધાને ખબર છે. Yes, sweet banana as food. Very good. Food તરીકે એનો ઉપયોગ થાય છે. Very nice. Now second use, banana peels are used to polish. Very good. Peels are used to polish the shoes. Very good. Now third one, leaves are used in rituals. Then what is the use of banana? Its flower are also used as food. Then to make umbrella. Very good. Let us write here. To make umbrella.
Friends, we have to write report in activity 6C. This activity is given on page number 48. So please open it. You can also see this activity on your screen. What did Karthik and his mummy watch at science exhibition? Write a report on it. કાર્તિક અને તેના મમ્મીએ સાયન્સ એક્ઝિબિશનમાં શું જોયું તેના વિશે રિપોર્ટ લખવાનું છે. સ્ટાર્ટિંગ રૂપે બે સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપેલા છે and we have to complete rest of the report. Now I am reading the given sentences, so please listen it carefully. Karthik and his mummy went to science exhibition on 28th February. There were 3 sections in it. First of all, so friends, as we read, Karthik and his mummy went to science exhibition on 28th February. My report is different and your reports may be different. Here is my report. Now I am reading my report. Karthik and his mummy went to science exhibition on 28th February. There were 3 sections in it. First of all, they went to agriculture section. They saw Prachi's project on terrace gardening and hydroponics method of agriculture. Then they went to environment section. There they saw Vasant's project bamboo and banana are the best. There they knew the different uses of bamboo and banana. Then they went to health plus section. There they saw Anjana's project health is wealth. They knew the different uses of herbs and spices. This was my report. See you all next time. Bye-bye.
Today's question: what can we make from bamboo? Options are here. Option A, flute. Option B, car. Option C, ball. Option D, pen. Choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 6357399480.